Kirby was also a wife to husband Scott and a mother to Paxton and Alexandria, two amazing children.
Excuse me. Good thing. I'm doing it myself. The other guy was before Tell them that this is awful. They have to come and take this.
From the county or the
Property.
the property should come and just help out in cleaning.
I know. They don't do it and we have to pay. You know how much we paid? $40.
For the cleaning?
Yes.
All right.
That's ridiculous.
Okay. Yeah, that's...
Is your car?
Yeah. as you see, I kind of started, but yeah. I tried this morning. Yeah, not too good. Not too good.
What's your battery? 1 or 4?
Oh, no.
Nice.
You're looking for it?
Yeah.
408, perfect. I remember
Your traction is on the front?
It's, I have
the
front
back?
wheel. It's front.
The front?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's in the front. Yeah.
So you trying to clean your car?
Yeah.
Oh, you couldn't do it, and you trying to hard. You using this one?
This is exactly what I used.
There was no way. How long?
Last year.
How long you think you're gonna do it?
1 month.
It was crazy.
Yet for the sun.
Because there was no way. Let's say if you're gonna use it for, let's say, for the whole day, I don't think you're gonna stand in this freezing.
I probably would have started early this morning.
Well, all right.
I would have been frozen.
Yeah.
sway a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, that's okay now.
Yeah. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. You coming? All right, all right.